Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back to share with you my gorgeous DT kit that I've just received from CrafTangles with some amazing, fantastic made in India products. So let's begin with the new release. So here I have two reactive foils, the black as well as the rose gold, as well as the foil magic mixed media essential kind of tacky glue that can be used to use not just these foils but the gilded flakes, with your glitter, with anything really to glue down things. And this especially is an amazing product when you want to use foils but you don't have a laminator. So in my videos ahead where I create projects, I definitely will be showing some techniques using all of these products that I'm showing you now. So that's our foil and the foil magic. Next up, I have some lovely liquid watercolors. So I have blackberry black, evergreen, poolside, lemon tart, vibrant violet, soulmate, and pumpkin orange. Of course, they have a whole range of watercolors and they recently launched the metallic shimmer ones. But to begin with, I'm going to be playing with these. Next, I have some amazing mixed media stamps. So lovely for textures. So that's the half-tone dots. This is the schematic background. The old newspaper, musical notes, and script. Lovely stamps, of course, for mixed media. They just are amazing for that texture. Next up, I have some stencils. So I have the linen, again, lovely mixed media backgrounds. I have doodle around, plaid, the script, flourish, leafy background. Now, here are some new release chipboard cutouts. So this is my Valentine with all of those lovely chipboard elements that can be used on any project. The honeycomb background chipboard. This, the Dulhe Raja and the Dulhania chipboard, which is a part of the wedding collection, and it goes very well with the wedding paper pack that CrafTangles already has. Gears, of course, who doesn't love gears, right? And this antique lace, which is a nice mandala looking chipboard cutout. So all of these can be used very well for embellishments for different projects. Next up, I have some MDF bases. So I have these circles. I think that's a 12-inch and this should be a 10-inch circle. Again, good bases for different kinds of projects. I also have this sort of a shadow box. It can be a tray, a shadow box, just to store goodies, anything. When I come up with a project idea, I would better be able to tell you how I'm using it. And I have some of these acrylic bases, which are a set of coasters. And it's like a set of 4 in rectangle, set of 4 square and set of 4 circles. So these are acrylic. They just have that brown sheet on top, but they are clear and very good for, again, a nice mixed media project base. Next, I have some element sheets. So I have the vintage rosettes 1 and 2, lovely floral elements. And you've already seen how I love these element sheets because you can just fussy cut and glue them down again onto any kind of project. I also have the 12 by 12 dual texture cardstock, pack of 10 sheets, and a nice 12 by 12 paper pack. This is the Countryside collection, and I will open it and just flip through to show you the beautiful patterns. Such a gorgeous paper. I can think of some beautiful layouts. Again, plain prints That's something we all always need. Just look at the details and the elements and the texture, the feel of the paper, and it's thick enough so it can definitely be used for layout bases, for cards, for journal pages, why not? So I really love all these elements. Nature, you know, all the elements to do with nature, birds, and the pastel tones really make it work and look fantastic. That's just some smaller elements. Another nice background paper. And that's it. So that's a look at this fantastic paper pack. So that was my quick unboxing video to show you all the goodness. And stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you always know when there's a new video, and loads of inspiration creating with these fantastic projects. See you later. Bye bye.